Did you know that there are almost always markets in Australia that are forecast to grow well, that have properties that can be cash flow positive from day one? You might have heard in the media the doom and gloom about the market. There is not one Australian market that you can invest in. There are hundreds of markets, hundreds of property markets in Australia. When you invest in a property, you are investing in one of those markets. There is a science to understanding which markets are likely to perform well. Just now, there are hundreds of suburbs that are forecast to grow by 60 to 100% over the next 10 years. And there's hundreds of properties in those markets that can be positive cash flow from day one. When you set up a finance strategy for these properties, you can even borrow more money than you need to sit in what we call a cash reserve buffer. So even if there are times of vacancy, you have a cash reserve that can help fund that vacancy. So at no time do any properties need to cost you money out of your pocket or out of your paycheck every day. Properties can be neutrally to positively geared and set up with a cash reserve buffer, so it never needs to drain your weekly or monthly cash flow.